I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you can see with the title today, we are playing in luxury makeup. I've said this before, you know, a lot of the times when it comes to luxury brands, luxury makeup brands, I don't be seeing it. I don't be seeing it for the girls. You know, I could find drugstore, you know, mid-range brands that work just as well, if not better. So today I want to do like a full face of the stuff that I've tried from luxury makeup brands that I like, I've kept, to see if there's a difference, my face looks any different after doing a full face of that, if they are luxury makeup brand product that you need. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, so I already put this on because I didn't think about it before I put it on, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Invisible UV Flawless Primer. I used it more for the SPF 50 in here. It's like a sunscreen type thing, but for primer, I'm gonna use the YSL New Blotting Lotion. I've used this before. I've used it with the tinted moisturizer that it launched with. I like them. I actually really like this as a primer. So once again, another day of me not using the Danessa primer. So we'll see how I like my face by the end of this. There's a scent to this? I don't remember this having a scent. Usually I don't do well with scented products because I have sensitive skin, but I also don't remember, ooh, there's a strong scent to this. I also don't remember ever breaking out from this, so I guess we're gonna find out. Not got to be glue running down the side of my forehead. Gonna have to remove that. I really did not remember this having such a strong scent to it. Yeah, I really don't remember that. It gets like stronger as you blend it out. Okay, and I feel like you already knew what the foundation was going to be because baby, honestly, I'm gonna wear this till the wheels fall off. I mean, till the wheels fall off. This is the most expensive foundation I've ever purchased. It is the La Mer, the Soft Fluid Long Wear Foundation in the shade 420 Terra. Definitely a special occasion type foundation, or you don't even wear it however you please because you bought it. I forgot this is also scented. What is it with luxury makeup brands? Like, do you think making it smell like flowers makes it more luxurious? Because it be having my skin fighting for its life. Okay, for concealer, today it is the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Concealer. I have two shades, 875 and 10. I can get away with using a little bit of 875 because the La Mer foundation is a tad bit darker, but I prefer my foundation be darker and I can light it up by using a little lighter of a concealer than it be too light and then I'll be out here looking crazy. So, oh, my bad. I always forget that you kind of have to see what it is that I'm doing. And to set my face, the Chanel powder in Universal. Ooh, oh, okay, all right. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Bronze Mahogany Bronzer. Okay, blush is going to be this Armani liquid blush. It's an A blush, is what it's called. I think it's shade 53. Y'all know I like me a liquid blush. Okay, and to set my face, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and then right into that I use the Dior Face and Body Powder to, you know, set my face one last good time. It's the texture of this powder, like you can't pick it up on camera, but it's legit velvet. Okay, and to finish it off for lip gloss, I'm using the Dior Gloss in 721. The lip oil that everyone was raving about from Dior, mid. But this gloss, for like a luxury brand type thing, I forgot a mirror, does what it needs to do. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my full face of luxury makeup products. Not gonna lie, you know, face giving a little melted, a little velvety. I don't know. I know I started this video out saying like it's not that deep, but like seeing it all together, it might be a little deep. Now there are things I feel like you've seen me use quite often, so you know, like that's a go-to for me. Other ones like La Mer, you know, I pull out for certain occasions, so definitely, you know, not in need. Nothing is in need, but the stuff I put on my face today, it might be giving, you know, a very, 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 very deep want. Like you might want this. You might want to go get it right now. So that is it. Let me know if there are any other luxury makeup brands you want me to dabble in down below in the comments. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.